Use this method to make money online doing nothing. Less than nothing if that's even possible. Yes, it's that easy. I'm gonna give you a copy-paste make money online doing nothing method that you can use to make $100, $200, $300, even $500 per day online without any work at all. Whether you're in the Philippines, India, United Kingdom, United States, you can use this system to make a ton of money. Without experience, without marketing skills, and without technical skills. I'm gonna give you an easy 3-step system that you can use to make money online doing nothing. Yes, it just takes 3 steps to make money online with this system. It's that easy. Are you ready? Smash the like button to help more people like yourself succeed online. Also subscribe below to never miss any of my Make Money Online videos. I'm gonna show you how to make at least $100 per day online doing nothing. Once you know this system, you can do whatever you want. Go on vacations. Focus on sports you like. Spend more time with your family. Go fishing. Go hiking. Take my copy-paste make money online method to make at least $100 per day online. This system is all about outsourcing and enjoying a 100% return on your investment. Don't you want to make 100% on your money and not have to do any work at all? I do. If you know anything about me, then you know that I'm all about finding money-making opportunities that most people aren't aware of. I like the obscure stuff. I like the easy money. I look at 100 opportunities and I choose one. If you want to make money online spending less time than the average person, then this is the system that you want to focus on. Man, this is easy money. In fact, so easy that you wish you had known about this system before. Don't worry, now is your time to make money online. I'm aware of the many tedious systems that you probably tried in the past. You probably tried making money with Facebook, Google, YouTube, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, and maybe even selling your own products. The problem with most make money online systems is that they require work. This system is so easy that it's probably gonna be the only thing that you wanna focus on moving forward. Trust me about this one. Let's do this. If you think an easy 3-step system is a great way for you to make money, then comment easy make money online system below. The business model I'm teaching you today is all about outsourcing and selling canvases. Buyers pay as much as $200 for a single canvas. This person sold hundreds of these canvases and made tens of thousands of dollars along the way. The best part is that he probably netted at least $20,000 from this canvas alone. Here's another example of a canvas that sold well. I mean, there's tons of easy money to be made from selling canvases. I mean, we aren't talking about selling hundreds of lollipops here. This is easier. You can easily make $100 per day online by selling a canvas or 2 a day. You are probably not a graphic designer and have no idea on how to design a canvas. The good thing is that you don't need to be a graphic designer to make money online doing nothing. You can fully outsource graphic design to someone with tens of thousands of hours of experience and leverage off of their skills to make money online. This is how many people get paid daily. I mean, we're talking about $100, $200, even $500 per day. Here's how to go about outsourcing a canvas design that will sell. You got 2 options. Option 1, search for canvases and find a canvas that sold well. Next, give the canvas design to a canvas designer or graphic designer and tell him to create a better version of the design. Option 2, find a photo of a movie scene that you really like. It needs to be a movie scene that people know. And it needs to be an emotional scene as well. People buy stuff that triggers their emotions. That's why these Wolf of Wall Street canvases did so well. Everyone knows the movie and people are looking for motivational wall art to put in their living room, bedroom, and office. No matter which of the 2 options you choose, once you have a photo or design, send it to a reputable graphic designer on Fiverr. If you have a photo, you can ask this person to use the photo to create a visually appealing canvas. Another great way is to find someone who can create a cartoon photo canvas. Here's a person who is excellent at creating cartoon graphics. It only costs you $20 to outsource a black and white cartoon graphic that you can use on your canvas. You only have to spend a few minutes researching canvases that sold in the past and outsource the work to someone who can create a visually appealing canvas. That's how easy it is. Hit the like button if you like what you have seen so far. Step 2. Put your canvas for sale on Etsy. Once your canvas design is ready, you can sell it on Etsy.com. Etsy is a marketplace just like eBay where you can sell your canvases and make a lot of money doing it. It's a great marketplace to sell higher priced items, and the best part is that Etsy only charges sellers a 20-cent listing fee. Only once you sell an item, you pay a 5% transaction fee. Etsy is eBay 101. It's cheaper and more targeted. So it only costs you 20 cents to get your item listed on Etsy. That's literally zero risk for you. Here's how to get the ball rolling. Sign up for an account on Etsy.com. Next, create a listing. Make your canvas available in different dimensions. You want to give people options. Adjust your pricing so people pay more for bigger canvases. A great way to get more sales than other sellers is by offering free shipping. I recommend asking friends and family to buy a few canvases from you so you can pick up a few 5-star reviews. It will go a long way in pushing a ton of units on Etsy.com. There's only a few things you need for your Etsy listing. You need a catchy headline containing your targeted keywords so the Etsy search engine can rank you for the right keywords and present your canvas to the right audience. Use Etsy's search engine to find keywords that people are searching for. You need to upload 3 to 5 photos of your canvas. Have your graphic designer create a photo of your canvas in a living room so people can get a visual picture of what it will look like. People like canvases in the dimension of 40 by 30 inches. That's 40 inches wide and 30 inches high. You need a description of the canvas you're selling. You can emulate the description of your top-selling competitor and change the wording slightly to make it fit the canvas you're selling. You need to tell your customers when they will receive the item that they purchased. Step 2 is really easy and anyone can do it. Step 3. Outsource canvas printing and shipping. The good thing about this make money online doing nothing system is that you don't need to spend money on printing and shipping a canvas until you have sold one. So you literally have zero risk. Anytime you sell a canvas, you print and ship it through easycanvasprints.com. They'll do all the work for you. It only takes you about 5 minutes to instruct easycanvasprints.com to print and ship the canvas to your customer's address. And if you don't want to do this step yourself, then simply outsource it. Pay someone $5 per canvas. In case you want to do this step yourself, here's what you need to do. Go to easycanvasprints.com and place an order. Upload the canvas image you received from your graphic designer. Select the right canvas size your customer ordered. Click Add to Cart. Click Checkout. Here's where you want to enter your customer's shipping information. You pay and you're done. Easy Canvas Prints will create and ship the canvas to your customer's location without you having to do any work at all. Even if you just sold an average of 2 canvases per day, you would make a minimum of $100 per day in net profit. Now think about how much money you could make if you had 3, 5, or even 10 canvas designs that sell. If you're sick and tired of hustling like there's no tomorrow and are looking for a fully outsourceable business model, then selling canvases is the way to go. Many average people with no special skills make tens of thousands of dollars per year selling canvases. And so can you. This is a business that you can start regardless of your age, geographic location, or experience. It only takes a little bit of money to outsource the canvas design and order fulfillment. You don't have to do any of it yourself. This is the easiest money that you will ever make. If you think this is an easy way to make money online, comment Easy Make Money Online System below. Subscribe to my channel, also hit the notification bell to be notified when I publish a new Make Money Online video. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video.